Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Identify the two benefits of using multi-org access control. Choose 2. Option A. View asset information across multiple asset books. Option B. Restrict access to users based on their organization assignments. Option C. Submit and view data across different ledgers using a single responsibility. Option D. Enter payables invoices for different operating units using a single responsibility. Option E. View consolidated requisitions across operating units using a single responsibility. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Enter payables invoices for different operating units using a single responsibility. Option E. View consolidated requisitions across operating units using a single responsibility. Question 2. You are involved in a project to upgrade to Oracle E-Business Suite. Release 12. You need more information about the upgrade processes and paths. Where would you find the upgrade guide for Oracle E-Business Suite? Option A. AppsNet. Option B. Bug Database. Option C. Technical Forums. Option D. Metal Inc. Knowledge Base. Option E. Oracle Technology Network. Option F. Customer Knowledge Exchange. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Metal Inc. Knowledge Base. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.